Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Since the onset of the global pandemic, Guam's economic survival has relied heavily on mana from Washington. From the CARES Act to the American Rescue Plan, from pandemic unemployment assistance to economic impact payments, the money continues to pour in. But it won't last forever. And so representatives from the GHRA, the Association of Realtors, the Contractors Association, the Chamber, the Women's Chamber, the Chinese Chamber, the Korean Chamber, the Japan Guam Travel Association, and the Korean Travel Association will all be represented at an economic forum scheduled for June 24th at the Hyatt. GHRA President Mary Rhodes.
And we just strongly feel now is the time as we're looking at reopening dates. And it's really time to build solidarity with everybody and get the economy going together with the government Guam. I know we've had a lot of community-based programs and community-based outreach efforts, but in order for us to reopen the economy, but especially tourism, a lot of businesses also need the help.
She says we need to look at ways to diversify the economy as a full recovery of the visitor industry is still at least 2 years out. She adds that competitors such as Hawaii are enjoying a head start by allowing entry with a simple negative PCR test. Many in Guam's industry believe at the very least the governor should already allow in Korean tourists who've taken the AstraZeneca vaccine, even though it's not a U.S.-approved shot.
I know that we're going to have different opinions on that, but if we're going to accept an international market base for our tourism industry, we need to be able to work through and accept the standards that they've chosen.
GVB has said it's expecting the governor's approval soon. And even as we await the visitors' return, there are ways to stimulate the economy with local spending, such as a $500 restaurant card that was pitched before.
Now it's time to get those programs going where our residents can go out and support the businesses so we can hire people back at work and get money again recirculated back into the economy.
Seating at the Economic Forum will be limited, but live and recorded streams will also be available. For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Licanto.